Okay, guys, hotel review time. This hotel is called Evergreen Suite Hotel, and is located in the city center in Surat Thani. I stayed in this hotel in June of 2023. We'll start with the bathroom. A little bit small, but very good actually. This hotel, I don't know how old it is, but condition is like new. Everything here was really nice, especially considering the price. This hotel is considered 3 stars on Agoda, and it has an 8.9 out of 10 customer rating, which is awesome, and that's with over 2,800 reviews. The bed and everything was really comfortable. As you can see, the room is not that big. I think 28 square meters or something like that, but it's okay. This room is considered a superior king bed. I do think that's a queen size bed, but I can't remember for sure. This room cost me 600 baht for the night. A mini bar, just the 2 bottles of water, which is included. They were nice enough to add an extra pillow. I always appreciate that. Normally hotels don't have very good pillows, but I didn't need this one. Pretty cool, if you ask me. Always nice to see the elephants. Customer service, I gave customer service 5 out of 5. They were very nice, really easy to deal with. Easy check-in, easy check-out. There's the parking. There's enough. It's not a lot, but there's enough. I was on the 5th floor. That's the view. It ain't much, but that's what you get in a small city in Thailand normally. In the room, there's no coffee and tea making supplies at all, but here they have everything you need, and it's available 24 hours a day. This is kind of a continental breakfast setup. I didn't bother, it just seemed like snacks to me, but I did make a nice cup of tea for the road when I was leaving. You see the customer service 9.1. That's really good, yeah? Here's what they have on offer. The only thing I tried, like I said, was the tea. It did the job. Like I said, this hotel only cost 600 baht for the night. That's pretty amazing price for basically a new hotel. And the customer service, that's not bad. That's really, really good, that's for sure. Overall, this is a really nice hotel. I'd happily stay here again, that's for sure. You just can't argue with the price. Oh, there is parking underneath the hotel as well. I didn't look in there, I didn't need to. Looks pretty all right, don't it? And just down the road from here, tons and tons of food available. I don't know about walking distance, but just a 5-minute drive and you got tons of choice, that's for sure. All right, guys, that is it. That is my review based on when I was there and nothing else. Like I said, I'd happily stay in this hotel again. It's a winner. You can't go wrong with a 9.1, or I have it listed at 8.9 out of 10 for customer rating. That's unheard of in this country, that's for sure. And with a lot of reviews, nearly 3,000 reviews, 2,800 and something. That's pretty amazing. All right, guys, as always, thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. If you want more information, I will put the link to Agoda in the video description. You can check it out. Check the prices on your date. I don't think they'll change much, but you never know. I think this is an awesome value for money in the city of Surat Thani.